What's going on, guys? Now, by the title of this video is really completely uncorrelated. Like, there's no car stuff really in this until the very end. So I've been like super stressed out lately, and I was really unmotivated to make any sort of videos in general. And it was kind of a weird thought because I didn't know why I was like super unmotivated. I just kind of was. For example, yesterday I actually recorded an entire video, and when I was like going to edit all of it, I just kind of realized it just felt super duper rushed, and I was like, felt boring, and it just didn't come out anywhere to what I was expecting it to be, and I was just not happy with it, so I completely deleted it. Woke up really early this morning so I get a video out for you guys today on time. So yesterday at work, I actually got really good news. I was at a point that I wasn't sure when I moved to Florida if I had a job, and I was saving every single dollar that I had because I wasn't sure if I'd be working or not. Found out that I got my job in Florida, and as soon as I got told that, I just felt like a million pounds lifted off my chest, and I just got in a really good mood. And it was kind of weird because I was kind of like stressed without even like really realizing I was super duper stressed out. It was just one of those things that I was stressed without really knowing it. After I got told that, I kind of realized that I've been slacking in like everything that I've been wanting to do lately because I've been kind of freaking out trying to save all my money. Allergies are really bad right now, so I'm like kind of getting stuffy as we talk right now. It's getting kind of weird. I'm sorry for that. At the end of the video, I do have a little like B-roll for you guys if you guys do want to stay and watch this whole thing. It's gonna be super short because I just wanted to like, I don't know, like, apologize for shitty content. And I feel like, yeah, even though I'm a small channel, I'm getting to a point that I feel like I should kind of apologize and kind of tell you guys what is going on with this sort of shit. So now that I have a job, I mean, I still need to save my money. Saving your money is always super important, but I can order some car parts again. So I think I'm going to order some parts either today or Friday so I can have more installs, more reviews, that good old shit, and make my car how I want it even more. I don't have the biggest things coming in the world, but I do have some things that I'm planning to do. I asked Instagram if I should get a camera or car parts because I do want to get a new camera before I go. Everyone voted car parts except for like 2 people. So we got some parts that are going to be on the way. Nothing too crazy, but stuff that I've really wanted to do that I've been really curious about, and stuff that I think that a lot of people will enjoy me getting because I think it's just gonna make my car a lot better. Yeah, so I'm really sorry for the shitty content, guys. I feel a lot more relieved now, so hopefully it shows. Right now I'm probably talking very boringly because it is like, I mean, it's only 9 in the morning and it's not that early, but it's my day off and I usually sleep in, and I didn't go to bed until late last night. So that's why I'm tired as fuck. All right, guys, but I'm gonna show you guys that little clip now, so check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed that little B-roll, slow-mo, whatever you call those things. That was probably the only highlight of what I got from yesterday. Otherwise, like, what I got from yesterday I really didn't like. Hopefully it's not too windy so I can record some more videos today, but it's been super windy lately and my camera doesn't like the wind. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna leave you guys off here, so comment, like, subscribe, do all the fun shit. Keep doing you guys. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.